Hello students, class 10th subject science in chemistry. Today I will discuss about the topic baking soda. Baking soda is chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Its formula is NaHCO3. It is also known as the sodium bicarbonate. Preparation of baking soda. Step or number 1, NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3. Sodium chloride solution react carbon dioxide and NH3 ammonia. Given product NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. NH4Cl is formed named ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is a baking soda. Second point, sodium carbonate solutions react with carbon dioxide. Product NaHCO3. You see, Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2 react NaHCO3 and product convert sodium bicarbonate as a baking soda. Uses baking soda in medicines as antacid. The excess acid formed in the stomach due to the overacting or eating the spicy food is easily neutralized by the taking baking soda. Thus is the used as a ingredient the antacid. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है एज एडिक्टिव in food and drinking. Baking powder is a mixture of the baking soda and a mild edible acid. Such a tartaric acid in making certain foods soft like bread, cake and etc. Tomorrow next topic केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. धन्यवाद.